Welcome to Hoover Fitness's Wine and Yoga. I'm Sarah Hoover, and today we'll be pairing this Chateau La Paws Cabernet with a downward dog and upward dog pose. So I have my dog here, Nala, in order to help us with that. Start by taking a sip of wine. Now when we start with our downward dog, we'll want our hands shoulder width apart, feet shoulder width apart, your heels pressing down towards the ground, and your hips as high as you can. Taking a deep breath here. One more inhale. And as you exhale, you'll bend at your elbows, swooping into upward dog. Now that one takes a lot of upper body strength. The other option that you can do is from downward dog to simply lower your hips into upward dog. One more time, we'll go to downward dog. And as you exhale, coming to upward dog. Sitting back in a child's pose. Inhale to tabletop. Exhale to downward dog. Your left leg comes up into the air, bending your knee and opening your hip. Setting your leg down, your other leg comes up, bending your knee, opening your hip. Setting your leg down. As you exhale, bring your knees to the mat, sitting back into child's pose. Coming back to a seated position. Thanks for watching. I'm Sarah Hoover. Have a great day.